Hi, Queens. I'm Adeline Atlas, 7X published author. Welcome back to School of Soul, the social series where we turn platforms into passive income and create freedom through social media. Today, we're getting into a topic a lot of people overcomplicate, and it's one that holds most people back before they ever even get started. How do you grow your Instagram without paying for ads? How do you build a real audience that actually cares about what you post, without dumping money into promotions or feeling like you're screaming into a void? Let's break it down today. And when you realize how simple it actually is, you're going to wonder why you ever doubted yourself. The first thing I want you to remember is this: growth happens when value and visibility meet consistency. Let me say that again. Growth happens when value and visibility meet consistency. It's not about being lucky. It's not about being a full-time influencer. And it's definitely not about running ads you can't afford yet. The real game is about learning how to attract, not chase. Let's start with value. On Instagram, you are either giving people a reason to follow you, or you're giving them a reason to scroll past you. It's that simple. Every post you put out needs to answer a silent question in someone's mind. Why should I care? Are you solving a problem? Are you giving them something they can use? Are you making them feel inspired, understood, entertained, educated? If not, you're invisible, no matter how pretty your photo is or how many hashtags you use. Value isn't about dumping information either. It's about delivering it in a way that feels effortless to consume. If your audience has to work hard to understand what you're saying or why it matters, they won't. They'll just move on. Clear beats clever every time. Simple beats complicated every time. Now let's talk about visibility. Instagram doesn't reward perfection. It rewards presence. Some of you are overthinking your way right out of the game. You're waiting until everything is perfectly curated, perfectly captioned, perfectly aesthetic, and meanwhile the algorithm is forgetting you exist. Showing up imperfectly but consistently beats showing up once a month with a magazine-worthy post. Use every tool Instagram gives you: stories to create daily touchpoints, reels to break into new audiences, carousel posts to teach and engage, lives to build real trust fast. The algorithm isn't personal, it's mathematical. The more you post, the more data points the system has to figure out who to show you to. The less you post, the harder it is for it to categorize you. If you want Instagram to help you grow, you have to give it something to work with. It's that simple. And then there's velocity. This is the piece almost no one talks about, but it's a game changer if you actually apply it. Engagement speed matters. When you post something, the faster people start liking, commenting, saving, and DMing you, the more Instagram pushes that post out to even more people. But here's the part most people miss. Your own speed matters too. When someone comments, reply immediately if you can. When someone DMs you, get back to them quickly. The faster you move, the faster your page grows. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. Momentum builds with movement. Slow response times kill momentum. Fast engagement feeds it. Now, let's be real. Building your Instagram without ads isn't an overnight thing. It's not a magic trick. But it is a predictable result when you combine value, visibility, and velocity. Most people quit way too early because they're measuring the wrong thing. They're watching followers, likes, views. You need to shift your mindset. You're not just building numbers, you're building trust. Trust turns into loyalty. Loyalty turns into sales. And loyalty doesn't happen overnight. It happens post after post, story after story, reply after reply. If you're sitting here thinking, but I only have 500 followers, let me flip your mindset. Imagine putting 500 people in a room right now to hear you speak. That's not small. That's powerful. That's influence. When you stop chasing vanity metrics and start serving the people already in front of you, you'll realize growth was happening the whole time. You just weren't measuring it right. I also want you to think about your content like a conversation, not a commercial. Too many people treat Instagram like a bulletin board. Post, 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 then disappear. Wrong. You have to treat it like a living, breathing conversation. Show up, ask questions, answer DMs thoughtfully, share your thoughts, your behind the scenes, your journey. Let people into the process, not just the highlight reel. Connection is currency. You can buy followers, but you cannot buy real connection. And the people who build real connection are the ones who build real wealth off their platforms. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people trying to copy what's trendy instead of staying authentic. Trends can be tools, yes, but they should never replace your voice. Authenticity isn't a buzzword, it's a business model. People can feel the difference between someone chasing trends versus someone leading with real value. Your brand is your energy. Protect it. Build it intentionally. Don't let trends dilute it. Here's another truth you need to hear. People don't buy products, they buy energy. They follow certainty. They invest in confidence. If you're showing up on Instagram, hesitant, apologetic, half-committed, it shows. If you show up decisive, clear, and committed, even if you're still learning, people feel it and they trust it. Don't wait until you feel ready to start showing up like the brand you want to be. Your energy leads the way. And finally, Queens. If you are serious about scaling your social platforms into a real passive income stream, you have to stop playing small. You have to stop second-guessing every post. You have to stop sitting on ideas for months, waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. The market rewards movers. It rewards action. Every post, every reel, every story you put out is a seed planted. Some will grow slow, some will grow fast, some won't sprout at all. But the ones who harvest the most are always the ones who planted the most. And if you're ready to stop guessing and start growing with real strategy, I invite you to get inside the SOS, Social Vault. It's the shortcut I wish I had when I started. All the best-kept secrets, templates, scripts, and growth strategies to scale your Instagram and your income without burning yourself out or wasting money on ads. No confusion, no overwhelm, just results if you're willing to put in the work. I'll see you inside. Success loves speed, Queens. Go make your move.